7 money mistakes. Keeping millions of Americans broke. What if I told you that millions of hardworking Americans are losing money every single day without realizing it? Not because they're lazy, not because they don't work hard, and not because they don't earn enough. In fact, some of the biggest money mistakes look completely normal, and that's exactly why they're so dangerous. Stay until the end because the final mistake may be costing people more money than all the others combined. Let's begin. Mistake number 1, living beyond your means. The moment many people get a raise, they upgrade their lifestyle. A better car, a bigger house, more expensive habits. The problem? Their income grows, but their wealth doesn't. Remember this. Looking rich and becoming rich are two completely different things. Mistake number 2, having no emergency fund. Most people think financial emergencies happen to someone else, until one day their car breaks down, they lose a job, or they face an unexpected bill. Without savings, a temporary problem quickly becomes debt. That's why an emergency fund isn't just money, it's protection. Mistake number 3, spending first and saving later. This is how most people manage money. They spend throughout the month and save whatever is left. The problem? There's usually nothing left. Financially successful people often do the opposite. They save first and spend what's left. That small change can completely transform your future. Mistake number 4, ignoring small expenses. A few dollars here, a few dollars there, a subscription, a delivery fee, a daily coffee. Individually, they seem harmless. But over years, those tiny purchases can add up to thousands of dollars. Money rarely disappears all at once. It usually leaks away slowly. Mistake number 5, relying too much on debt. Debt feels easy in the beginning. Buy now, pay later, but eventually, later arrives. And many people discover they're working hard just to pay for things they bought months or years ago. Debt can quietly steal future income before you even earn it. Mistake number 6, never investing. Many people save money. Very few learn how to grow it. While your money sits still, inflation keeps moving. That's why investing matters. Not because it makes you rich overnight, because it gives your money a chance to work alongside you. Mistake number 7, never learning about money. This may be the most expensive mistake of all. Most people spend years learning how to earn money, but very little time learning how money actually works. And without financial knowledge, people often repeat the same costly mistakes again and again. Here's the truth. Financial success isn't usually about one big decision. It's about small, smart choices repeated consistently over time. So ask yourself, which of these 7 mistakes are you still making today? Because the sooner you identify them, the sooner you can start building a stronger financial future. And your future self will thank you for it.